So you guys sent me a bunch of really cool requests to make some cool GD songs. So I picked 3 of the coolest ones and remade them into Geometry Dash. Here we go. The first one I made was Acheron. I'll let you guys listen to it and then I'll talk about how I made it. So, as you can probably see or hear, I'm not very good at making dubstep, but I tried my best, and dubstep growls are probably some of the hardest things for me personally to do. So, I used a certain bass thingy madabber. I'm a noob, but yeah, pretty much. One of the coolest song ideas someone else sent me is to remake Noelle Electra, but since I'm a weirdo, I decided to change the theme, which was one of the worst mistakes of my life. Although it sounded pretty decent, I'll let you guys listen to it. So yeah, I changed the melody into like some random like space junk. I don't really know what I did. But yeah. The next song I remade is Stereo Madness. Which, yeah, that went pretty well. Remaking Stereo Madness was actually really simple. I bet anyone could do it, as long as you have something to make music with. But this last request, this was probably my favorite one. It was to remake Theory of Everything 2. And yeah, this was my favorite. I enjoyed making it. So yeah. Some of my failed attempts are still up here on my channel. Here's the bug prototype. And as you can see, it sounds like trash, bro. So even though it was super bass boosted and sounded like an annoying alarm clock thingy, I managed to get out all the bugs and I fixed up the whole song. Although it's still kind of trash, but yeah, anyway. Thank you guys so much for watching up to this point. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.